Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, June 7th. We continue our readings from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Tragedy and Peace. After I do the reading, we're going to do a short reflection around it as always. At times, so many memories trample my heart that it becomes impossible to know just what I'm feeling and why. My first love laughing in the park whose name I can never recall. My grandmother dying near her dirty bricks in Brooklyn. The dizziness of the Rockies telling me to go back among the living. My ex-wife's shoulders slouching tired in the rain. The old dog I used to live with chasing her tail. And 1,000 more. That all the ways we've been touch and merges in the ground of who we are is a blessing, a gift of being human. It is what the sages of all traditions have called peace, the elusive moment that all things become one. That we can't sort our feelings and memories once the soil of our experiences tilled is the nature of staying alive. That we insist on keeping old wounds alive is our curse. Yet, as Thich Nhat Hanh reminds us, our mind of love may be buried deep under many layers of forgetfulness and suffering. Our mind of love may be buried deep under many layers of forgetfulness and suffering. The difference I'm learning is on what we focus on. When I focus on the rake of experience and how its fingers dug into me and the many feet that have walked over me, there is no end to the life of my pain. But when I focus on the soil of the heart and how it has been turned over, there is no end to the mix of feeling that defy my want to name them. Tragedy stays alive by feeling what's been done to us, while peace comes alive by living with the result. Tragedy stays alive by feeling what's been done to us, while peace comes alive by living with the result. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath nice and soft, natural. There is no need to fix anything about your breath right now. Just like there is no need to fix anything about yourself. Your breath is enough. You are enough. Being here and doing this practice is enough. See if this knowing helps you open up to the spaciousness in your whole being, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring your attention to your heart and feel your heart with its thousand feelings beat within your chest. Breathe in a slow rhythm and let one of these experiences rise. One of the experiences that has helped you to shape yourself. For the moment, focus on the rake of this experience. Focus on the actions you receive. How does that feel? What memories are being evoked? What feelings? What thoughts? Now focus on the soil of this experience. Focus on the result of being shaped by life. How does that feel? What physical sensations, thoughts, emotions are being evoked by that reflection? And now compare the two. The rake of the experience, what has been done to you, and all that it evokes. The soil of the experience, the result of being shaped by life, and everything that this evokes. Note and feel the difference. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know that I am enough. May I remember I am never alone. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember, tragedy stays alive by feeling what's been done to us, while peace comes alive by living with the result. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.